Hey everyone, welcome back to Country Life Escape. If you thought the roof renovation saga was intense last time, well, brace yourself for this video. Just a little coffee, and then we demolish this thing. We started today's episode with sidewalls, so cutting them open and getting the decaying beams and beam extensions at the two corners of the roof. They were practically impossible to access and to remove, since they were molded into the concrete and basically nailed down underneath the oak beam sitting on the top of the wall. Moving on to the rafters, and when I say taking off, I mean practically crumbling in our hands. The decay was evident, and the realization of the task ahead kind of started sinking in there. Then came the moment of truth. We had to cut the main carrying beam on the south side of the roof, and we basically just decided to cut it with a chainsaw and then try to get the end pieces out underneath the further beams, or then actually out. But here's where creativity stepped in. We knew we didn't have another beam at our disposal, but this beam really had to be changed. So instead of sourcing an expensive replacement beam, we decided to use what we had at our disposal and engineer our own. So gluing and screwing boards together to form a new robust beam, and I think it turned out great. So let me tell you, sliding that into place worked wonderfully, since we were very meticulous about getting in the right shape. And honestly, I think it's stronger than it was before. And the south side raft as well. They're up and looking better than ever before. But perhaps the most heart-stopping moment was when we tried to integrate the rooftop extension in the corner using nothing but a rope and to kind of balance it in there, because with the limited access and just the weight was already quite the challenge. To hold it with ropes and basically position it and then let it slowly slide into place, holding a rope whilst kind of balancing on the edge of the roof. That was quite the challenge.
Il a de la ficelle, d'accord, faut pas ça. On va avoir du mal à l'enlever.
Stick around and make sure to subscribe for the next episode on our roof renovation, where we will share insights on the whole rebuild and obviously also the extensive woodworm control we had to do and how to save what's left. See you next time, and as always, today I have sleeves. Let's go get things done.